Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to clear cache files on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So basically there's no any built-in feature on your iPhone to clear cache, but you can clear this now. So for this example, I'm going to clear any app cache. So you just have to open your settings here, go for general here, then go for iPhone storage. And here you just have to select the app of which you want to clear cache files. So for example, I'm going to clear cache of my TikTok. So you have to simply tap on that. And here's no any simple way to clear cache. You have to tap on offload app and then tap on offload app again. It will completely offload your app. It means it will remove every kind of data which your app's on. Once you have offloaded your app, you have to tap on reinstall app and it will reinstall the app again. And once you have done, it will clear all the cache files for your TikTok app or any specific app. Or if you want to clear cache for your browser, so open settings here, then go for apps and here go for your browser app. In my case, I'm going to look for Safari. Select that and then scroll down and you look for the option of clear history and website data. Then select clear history from here. It will clear all history and website data including cache files. And after that, if you still want to clear cache or free up space, so you can use your files app from here. So you have to go for your files app and then you have to remove unnecessary files or folders from your iPhone, or you can remove unnecessary apps to free up space, or you can use any third party app to clear cache. So for example, I'm going to search for any app here, and here it will be the best app to clear cache files from your iPhone. So in this way you can easily clear cache on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.